Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today I'm out here at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now today we're going to take a look at this one. It is a 2026 Grand Design Reflection, model number 322 FKTS. So let's get started. The length on this Reflection is 35 feet 9 inches. The dry weight is 8,800, and that hitch weight is 1,110 with a GVWR of 10,995. Wow, I have been wanting to put this to video, and for everything, I'm out here, and I'm out here by myself today, so A is not with me, so y'all bear with me. We're going to get started. As you can see, your electric tongue jack, your propane bottles are up front. Here's your pass-through storage. As you can see, there's all your water connections right there. There is TV, and I do believe that is power. And if you swing around, here is your electronic leveling. That's right, folks, this one has automatic leveling. And you can see all the MPPT controller. Wow, solar. That is awesome right there. Now let's see. We'll go under this slide. Yep, there's your leveling. And you can see this slide is a rack and pinion. And wow, there's a dump under the slide. We'll have to get around there and look at that. Let's cut in here. Yep, there is a dump right there. Here's your wheels. You see it's got anti-lock brakes, CRE 3000 suspension. And this slide looks to be is a slim rack, okay? And we've got a little storage under here. It's gonna be nice. Oh, look, tankless water heater. Let's see, let's dive down under here again. There's your back leveling jacks. There's a dump, and there's your whoops, there is your black and gray pulls under there. Wow. Let's see if we can get a side view here. Now we do have a 2-inch receiver, and it is only for 300 pounds. Right there is the warning. Alright, take a look here at the back. It's prepped for the backup camera. And the awning is 20 feet. Wow. Really awesome that Great American allowed me to come out here this afternoon and video this. Here's the other side of that pass-through. Power, satellite cable. Oh man, it's really sharp. I know it, I know it. Amanda is missing out today, but we're going to get through it. All right, folks, let's head in and let's take a look at this Grand Design Reflection 322 FKTS. All right, stepping in. Oh, wow. Yep, and it is a front kitchen. I'm just gonna pan on around. Yeah. All right, well, I guess let's just get started. Well, there's your control panel, JBL radio, and you can see that there is probably some bar stools up under here. You can see you got some storage up here. Excuse me, over there. Look, pet bowl under here. That's actually a pretty good place to put that. It is solid surface countertops. All right, let's get up here. Open the cabinet. About a 50-inch TV. Big microwave. Ooh, nice little cabinet up there. All right, we're gonna open up all these on the front. Oh yeah, really nice. Front windshield. It does have a shade. Whew. Need it on a day like today. All right, you got let's see, plug-ins on each side, and a big farm-style sink with a pull-down faucet. Solid surface all the way around. Here's another cabinet over here. Really nice. Now, let's see what we got under here. All right. Nice little cabinet spot under there. Hey, look, 3-burner cooktop. It's a nice little oven. Not the biggest one I've seen, but hey, I think it'll get the job done. A nice cabinet there under the stove. As you can see, there's the heating vents. They are in the cabinets. And 3 drawers right here. Nice. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Almost missed something. Look at there. All right. And a nice little cabinet right here. And it says pull here. Well, there you go. I was wondering where you was going to put a garbage can. Now we know. And another drawer there on top. All right. A 3-seater on the couch. Cup holders each end. Let's see. The middle does fold down. As you can see, you got slow rise shades throughout. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's take a seat right here and let's look at the TV. Well, it's actually pretty good. I like it. Well, let's go ahead and look at the ceiling. Well, we've got one AC here. Got the big vent fan. All right. All right, on this wall you got some, looks like coat hooks. Maybe put the dog leashes right there. That's probably what I would do. All right, we got a fridge. 12-volt compressor fridge. In which it is on right now. Cool. Nice big side by side. All right, let's look over here. We've got a cabinet up top. Nice cabinet. And this probably is going to be our pantry. Oh, wow. And it is. I like that. It's backlit. All right. Got a pocket door right here. Let's move into the bedroom. Oh, wow. This is a nice bedroom. And looks like we've got the second AC right here. All right, let's see if we can open a few of these cabinets. Oh, yeah. Oh, look. Little side tables. Little storage down here. We've got power USB over here. There's your heating vent. Let's check the other side. Same thing. Power, USB. Another little cabinet. I like the nightstands. I really, really like the nightstands. Let's see what we got under the bed. Aha! Well, there's your bar stools. Cool. We know where those are now. Okay. Nice space here to walk. All right, let's see if we can check out some of this right here. Ooh, nice. Big drawers. We've got a cabinet right here, and it is, yes, hanging there. All right, big window. There's where you can put a TV. Oh man, a good 32-inch or something will go good. I like this. I like this. This is really cool. All right, we've got another cabinet over here, and you can see it has got the hanging bar. And we have got 3 drawers over here. Nice. All right, and there is power and USB right there. All right, on to the bathroom. Okay, we've got double sinks, double vanity, excuse me, and we've got mirrored medicine cabinets on each side. Yep. And we've got this cabinet right here in the middle. Wow. That's all right there. And we've got, oh my goodness, all these drawers. Okay, you put a wastebasket under the sink. 3 drawers here. 3 drawers over here. Wow. And another spot under this sink. Okay. Now we've got a porcelain foot flush toilet. And we've got a cabinet here behind the toilet. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Nice. That is a nice cabinet. I like that. Now, on the other side, we've got, there's the heating vent. Encore shower, looks to be like a 30 by 48. Fiberglass one piece. Oh yeah, I'm not even touching. Yeah, really awesome. And over here, we've got another drawer. Really nice. And this cabinet. Oh, wow. All right. It is, you can use it for hanging. As you can see, it's plumbed. Prep for, I'm going to say a combo unit, because you can take this shelf out. Yeah, combo. And there's your power down there. And there's where your dryer vent. Cool. I like this. All right, everybody. I've been wanting to check this grand design out. Y'all tell me down in the comment what you think. I hate it that, excuse me. I hate it that Amanda couldn't be with me on this one, but I think she would pretty well like it. All right, everybody, if you like this grand design front kitchen, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us. That's right, give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.